April 21st. Chemtrails being sprayed. You can see one being sprayed right there, right now. I did just hear a little news yesterday that Trump and RFK, wish it was JFK, RFK are working on stopping these. So that's great news. Praise the Lord. Because we're being depopulated, folks. All these wispy little lines, these straight lines, these crooked lines that don't line up with the wind patterns, those are chemtrails. These in the background here are not chemtrails. It's all lined up, it's symmetrical, it's got harmony to nature. These lines are not. 21 different ingredients in chemtrails being sprayed on us constantly, morning, noon, and night. This is Long Island, New York, Suffolk County. Evidence documented.